Hello everyone, Archana here. I am coming to you with two beautiful kits and purchase link is provided in the description box below. So let's get started. So this kit is based on sewing. So I am sure some of you will love it. And I am using Stamperia, which called Atlar, which is a 12 by 12 paper pad, and we will see what's inside. And it is really beautiful, very soft colored paper pad, and this is Stamperia's one of the popular collections, and I'm so glad I got them for us. So you can see all over here all the measuring tapes and sewing these supplies, and let's see inside. So first page is a plain page, and you can see all the collage here, very pretty laces, fabrics, and I really love this butterfly, so pretty. And then next one, which has this very nice, very dark paper with burlap print here, and on this page you can see it's beautiful page, music notes, twine, laces, fabric effect here and there, and these are double-sided paper, as you can see. So you can see here some old vintage looking lace pattern here, and there is a corrugated paper, and you can see all the distressed edges and dress form, measuring tape, lot of fun images here. Then this one, the back side of this paper is a corrugated page, and this one is very pretty in blue color. And this paper has full of damask images, very cute, and some corrugated distressed edges here and there. And this page is very interesting with lot of fun stuff here. You can see 5 cards here, and then the back side of this page is like that, so pretty. And this one, which has a key with this twine bow and lot of lace effect here. It's really beautiful paper. And this one has a brown color, and brown and blue combination is always classic combination, so I'm sure you will like it if you like these colors. So this paper pad is really pretty in person. So you can see all the shapes here, dress form, those tickets, or you can say the what it called, the thread holder or thread something, I'm not sure what it called, but you can see sewing machine here and scissors and these buttons kind of thing. So it's really fun page. And back side has this effect, you can see the net kind of effect here, and the lace on the border, and the button here. And this collage page is really cute, really cute. And then back side is like that, all stitched back. It's kind of canvas fabric effect here, and here lots of stripes of measuring tapes. And back side has this, all the measurement page, so cute. And here all the tags and tabs, very cute page. And the back side is pretty simple, plain, and the last page is plain, and all the images are here. So this really beautiful paper pad is in this collection, and I have added Prima flowers which matches with the collection, very cute colored full pack of Prima flowers, which has bluish, creamish and peachy kind of tone, which is matches with the paper line really perfectly. And then Prima some crystals matches with the collection, so these are here. And then I do have a really interesting chipboard pieces by Fab Scrap. So this is the sewing machine, very cute, and it is pretty large sewing machine. And then another piece again by Fab Scraps, which says pins and needles, super cute. I hope you can see. So this one is here. And then let's open this embellishment pack, which has full of interesting stuff. So first of all, I'll show you this really cute lace which goes perfectly with this color, this collection, you can see. And this one is a self-adhesive 1 yard ribbon or a crochet lace. Oh, it looks like that. And then I have added Prima washi tape, this decorative tape, one full roll, and which is I think 1/2 inch wide. And then I have added seam binding in creamish and bluish color, 1 yard of each, and 2 clothespins in black. Then I have this really cute blue and some other colored twine which goes well with this kit, so this one is here. And then I have added this cute flower, it's really beautiful Prima flower, which so many layers of fabric or silk fabric I mean, and a center is very pretty, so that can be your focal point of your projects. If you are making mini albums, so you can put this on top of the cover. But anyway, it's your creativity, you can use however you want, just an idea I'm giving you. Oh, one more Fab Scraps piece I forgot, it's a corsage, you can see 2-piece corsage included in this, so 3 packs of chipboards. And then also I do have this resin piece of really beautiful this corsage, and which has a full of details, you can see, very pretty. So beautiful. The back is flat, so this piece is here. And then in small package I have some cute little goodies, so 1 large and 1 small, this spool. And then I do have a cute little sewing machine, charm, then hanger, cute shabby chic hanger, and a cute pair of scissors and a button. So this whole kit is listed on my blog, you can check the link if you are interested purchasing this kit and have fun. So I will move on to my another kit in the same video, so let's get started. I'll just keep this thing here somewhere safe. So this is my another beautiful kit. Everything goes perfectly with each other. Basically papers are to die for. If you are a paper hoarder, you will really like this kit, and I'm sure some of you don't even try to cut these papers, but go ahead and cut them and make a beautiful project. So let's get started. This kit called Afternoon Tea Kit. So I do have a lot of embellishments, I'll show you later on, but first we will check all the papers. And since I love these papers and I know many of you will like these papers, I inserted 2 of each sheets in this kit. So have fun and let's get started. I'll show you all the images, and these are double-sided paper, so you can see these papers are by Fab Scraps, and the collection also called I think Afternoon Tea or High Tea, but this is very rare kit. They are out of stock, or they mostly discontinued. I'm so sad when companies are discontinuing all these beautiful collections, but I'm so glad again I got it for us. So let's check. These two wonderful ladies or friends are having a tea. Very cute images and lots of sentiments. On this page you can see almost 3-4 different sentiments, or yeah, 3-4 different sentiments here, here, and here. So lots of things to work with. And there is some lace or crochet something going on here, and it is a totally shabby chic kit, so you will see mostly laces and fabric and flowers here. So I have added 2 of the same papers, and then there is another beautiful page, 2 of them by the same collection, by the same company, same collection. This whole paper collection is by Fab Scrap. You can see very soft shabby chic roses are here, and color is very light. The back side. Then 2 more pages of another beautiful images. So you can see 3 of the ladies are having fun, and it says, the sentiment says afternoon tea. You can see right here, and beautiful colored flowers and teacups, teapots. It's amazing. And back side is just like that. So I'm glad they kept back simple, but some images on. So don't worry about fussy cutting all these images. You are not going to lose very beautiful back. Then another 2 pages of these beautiful images. They are standing in this teacup. Interesting, right? Vintage girls, vintage ladies all over on this page. And back side has these cute little umbrellas, so cute, all over. Then move on to next 2 pages, and this one has a teacup and sentiments and bows and teapots and flowers everywhere. So cute, so cute. And the back side has all the decorative saucer. Amazing. I love this. The color is stunning. Light shabby blue color and pink colored sage green color. Very nice. And then we will have another 2 pages. These shabby chic ladies are all over on this page. Very pretty. And the back side has another lace effect. Very cute. And then I think last not the least, last pair is this one, which has all the buttons, and I think it is a sweet biscuits or some kind of fondant work going on, I think, since it's a very sweet page which says love and some buttons and some flowers here. I think they are cupcakes. I can see cupcake wrapping on each circle. If you can see, same thing. Very cute. So this all over sweetness is here, and the back side has this sage green color. I hope you can see the exact color, but not sure, but believe me, this is wonderful kit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 designs and 2 of each, so total 14 papers. Amazing, right? I'm so happy with this kit. And let's see what I have it here. So this is a Prima planner pins, but it goes well with the kit. It has a shabbiness and some clocks and everything here. So this one is here. And then I do have this sentiment, chipboard sentiment by Fab Scraps. It's from this same collection, which called afternoon tea. Super cute. And then I have 3 stickers by Fab Scraps. You can see all the keys and spoons here with some vintage images on, and another sticker which is another beautiful sticker. You can see, so it has a birds holding some banner called keep calm and drink tea, tea time with friends, afternoon tea, tea for two. Amazing, so cute. You can see, so 4 sticker pack. And then this one, which is a big one, which is also by Fab Scraps, and which has 2 teacup saucer set, and this corsage, couple of them, and a big huge cake is here, and ink and a feather, a crown, 2 crowns, and a teapot. So pretty, so pretty. So this is another sticker pack. And then I have added a really cute die set here. So you can use so many ways, like you can use as a border, you can make your own envelope, you can use it for the flaps or tabs, like so many possibilities, and they look like that. So this is Creative Basic 3-piece die set. And then we will open our goodie bag. So first of all, I will show you all the flowers, and since this kit has a magenta and deep purplish colored flower all over on this page and some of the pages inside, I have added one big flower by Prima, which is super matching to this kit, these images. And then I have added 2-tone roses, 10 of each. And then this kit has this exact similar blue, dusty blue or vintage blue color. You can see it's a very different color, which is here on these teapots. So I have added these 5 pieces. And then I do have this deep magenta colored seam binding and the similar this blue colored seam binding kind of. So this is yard of each. And then I have a yard of this cute little lace, 2 of them. They are half yard of each, so total yard. So this cute lace pack is here. And then in this embellishment pack, I do have a really cute vintage shabby chic teacup and a saucer charm. And I do have this vintage looking lady hat and umbrella, and this fan which usually these ladies carry, and a cute little purse, and such kind of shoes, and a teacup and a teapot set here. So this is your charm kit. And as always, link is provided in the description box. You can find out these 2 kits on the same post, and these are ready to ship, so please feel free to shop right now. Hi everyone, Archana here. Hello everyone.